In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom dynamic content in a collapsible row in Shopify. We're going to connect a collapsible row on your product page to a product meta field, so you can manage that content right from the product editor. This is perfect for things like care instructions, size guides, or extra info that changes from product to product. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand side, go to your online store section, then open your theme editor by clicking Edit Theme. This opens the visual editor where you control how your storefront looks. At the top of the editor, open the page selector and choose the product template you're using, usually called default product. Once that's loaded, look at the left-hand sidebar for the product information section. Click the small drop-down icon next to it to expand the blocks inside. Now add a new block by clicking Add Block and choose Collapsible Row. Once it's added, drag it up or down to place it where you want it to appear on the product page. When you're happy with the position, click Save in the top right corner, then exit the editor to go back to your admin. Next, we'll create the meta field that will hold your custom content. From your admin, go to Settings at the bottom left, then choose Meta Fields and Meta Objects and select Products. Click Add Definition. Give your meta field a clear name so you'll recognize it later, then pick one of the suggested standard options if it matches your use case. Add a description to remind yourself what this meta field is for. In the type field, select multi-line text since you want to store longer content. Click Save. Now click the Shopify logo to return to your main dashboard and open the theme editor again through Online Store and Edit Theme. Once more, choose your product template. Then in the left-hand column, select the collapsible row you added earlier. In the content area for that collapsible row, click the Connect Dynamic Source icon next to the row content field. From the panel that appears, choose the product meta field you just created. This tells Shopify to pull the row's content from that meta field instead of static text. Click Save, then exit. Finally, go to Products in your admin, open any product where you want this to appear, and scroll down to the Meta Fields section. Click the meta field you created, type in the content you want to show in the collapsible row, and click Save. That product now has its own custom dynamic content powering that collapsible row on the storefront.